What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. We got 2 free plays for you today. So it's going to be a quick video. Got to get this out soon for you guys. It's Thursday night football between the Denver Broncos and the New Orleans Saints. Broncos are favored by 3 in this one, so it should be a close game. But I'm liking the over for a lot of these plays. So let's hop into it. We're going over on BETR today. If you guys are new to BETR, go over there. And they're going to hook you up with a $200 welcome bonus and a free play. So go ahead and use the code 907fantasy over there if you guys are new to BETR, and they're going to hook you up. So that's Jake Paul's app. They're pushing out a lot of free money to people right now, and they're allowing us to put $10 down on 2 discounted plays every single day. So this is a great way to build up your bankroll, but we're taking 2 of these today, and I got some heaters for us. So we're going to turn 10 into 30 on both of these, so 20 into 60 tonight for some Thursday night football. Let's hop into it. First one, we're going Alvin Kamara, over 27.5 receiving yards. This is a discounted line from 37.5, I believe it is. And we're taking Vele, I believe it is. He's a wide receiver out of Utah. But he's been going off the last 2 games with Bo Nix as the quarterback. So we're taking the over 33.5 receiving yards here. I'm loving this. Bo Nix is getting more and more comfortable as a quarterback in the NFL. So I'm loving that over there. So that one is 10 into 30 over on BETR. That's the first free play. Second free play is this one right here, Shohei Ohtani to get 1 base. He made us sweat last night. He finally got a home run late in the game. And then our one that we matched up yesterday with in college football, I can't even remember who we matched up with, but that one ended up losing. So we did lose on the free play yesterday. But this one, I'm loving this one. So Shohei Ohtani to get 1 base, and we're taking Bo Nix over 193.5 passing yards. So he should easily get over 200 yards tonight, especially as he gets more and more comfortable as a quarterback in the NFL. So those are the 2 free plays for you today. If you guys are going to be telling me on these, let me know down in the comments below. All those links to BETR, Winible, Chalkboard, all those are going to be down in the description below. If you guys want all of the free plays, it's going to be up here on the Winible, winnable.com/907fantasysports. And then if you guys want all of my plays, I sent out over 25 plays today for VIP. Those are already finalized, sent out to VIP. That's going to be over here on the VIP. So it's usually $100. Use code CHASE, get 75% off. So $25, and that's going to get you 25 plays. So $1 play, we're going to go cash, have a big day for both. We're matching a lot of today up with this weekend. So make sure you hop on today because you're going to be cashing all weekend long with the plays from today. So go ahead, go and use the code CHASE over there and get signed up. That's going to hook you up with 75% off the VIP pass. So good luck with all your plays today. Like I said, if you're going to be telling me on that, let me know down in the comments below. Let's go have a great day and have fun watching some Thursday night football. Peace out.